Another piece of what we'll be doing a little differently this year are skill trees. For each of the major disciplines within design technology, I've laid out, with help from many other people, a skill tree that shows the major branches of skill within a particular discipline. In this case, this is the design sketching skill tree. So here we've got design sketching. And then within each of those branches, it shows all the individual skills and the order in which those need to be mastered in order to really get the skills in that branch. So let's zoom in a little bit here. If we look at foundations down here at the bottom, and we look at what's in the foundations of sketching, one of those really key areas is line weights. So it's got a sun here to indicate this is a super important skill. Another super important skill, straight lines. Curves, not as important, not as foundational, but also very low on the list. So they're going to be important in order to build up higher level skills. Circles and ellipses become circles in perspective, which is, again, a very important key skill in order to continue sketching well. Straight lines lead to rectangles, squares, and planes, which are all part of that 2D foundations that are going to lead to drawing in perspectives. And here we've got more. And then that leads up further into the skill tree. So you can see that this is a overall summary of everything needed to get to basic understanding and basic mastery of a discipline like sketching or video production or woodshop or CAD CAM or any of the disciplines within design technology. And it breaks it down into the smallest basic steps for what do I need to learn next. And that's what the skill trees should help with. Because this is the first year we've implemented these, I'd really love feedback about what makes sense, what doesn't make sense, how this helped you this year as we go through the year, what I could change to make it more helpful. If there's areas that are really, really clear, or if there's areas that don't make any sense at all, I'd love feedback on how these skill trees work, how they help, and how I can make them better.